To start off this geometry project, we are going to use a Horizon organic, half and half, ultra pasteurized milk carton. And this milk carton is a compound object. And we must find the surface area of this beauty and the volume of this beauty. Are you ready to get ready? I'm ready to get ready. Let's get ready and do this. He's gonna watch over here. Hello, I'm gonna watch. And while we work, paper number 1. I have drawn up the milk carton here in all of its shapes. This is all the shapes put together and drawing with the dimensions. We go over the dimensions later. We have a rectangular prism with a triangular prism on top with a cylinder on top. I'm going to go over these. You can see here, this is a rectangular prism, this is a triangular prism, and this is the cylinder. I'm not going to open that right now, it's empty. Yeah. And I have numbered the order which we are going to do this. Number 1, the rectangular prism. Number 2, the cylinder. And number 3 is the triangular prism, which is drawn as it is shown, with the cylinder on top, which goes to show we must do the triangular prism last, so that we can subtract the cylinder's surface area from the triangular prisms. That way, there are no mistakes. And, since it's a prism, we must do it this way, in all of its glory. And that is the start of this project. Now, to the more difficult part, or easy part, depending on how good you are at math. Let's go. Now, I'll go over the dimensions on the rectangular prism. Dun dun dun. All these sides, right here and here and here, and on the back, are 2.75 inches. This, on all sides, is 7.38 inches as the height. The surface area for the rectangular prism, notice I put a substitute there for rectangle, equals 2b plus ph, minus a b because I don't see another base, don't you? No, because it's hollowed out, is equal to b plus ph. The base is 2.75 squared, which is equal to 7.56 inches. That is the base. The perimeter is 4 times 2.75, which is equal to 11 inches. Height is given, which is 7.38 inches. This means that our formula is 7.56 plus 11 times 7.38 is equal to 88.74 inches squared. The volume for the rectangular prism is base times height, which is the base, 7.56, times the height, 7.38. We already have the information. 7.56 times 7.38 is equal to 55.79 inches cubed. And that is the rectangular prism. Now, to the next part of our compound object. Hello. Here we go. I am ready to be ready. Cylinder! Exclamation point. Yeah, now it gets fun. So, here we have 0.5 inches as the radius and 0.5 inches as the height, which is really easy since we only have 2 numbers to worry about. But it's got circles, which means we use pi. Now don't worry, that's the easy part. So the surface area, C, cylinder, is equal to 2 times the base plus perimeter times the height. Again, there is only one base, right there. I don't see another one. There, that'd be a really bad lid. So we, again, subtract a b, which makes this base plus perimeter times height. So base, for any circle, is pi r squared, which means we just do pi times 0.5 squared. That means we have 0.79 inches as the area of the base. The perimeter is the circumference, which is 2 pi r. The perimeter then, given that it is 0.5, 2 times 0.5 equals 1. So pi times 1 equals 3.14. That's actually really funny how that works. So the perimeter is 3.14, and the height is given 0.5 inches again. So our formula is 7.79 inches plus 3.14 times 0.5, which is equal to 0.79 inches plus 1.57, which means our surface area for the cylinder is 2.36 inches squared. The volume is actually even easier, like last time, because we have the area of the base times the height, like last time, because we have the area of the base, 0.79 inches, and we have the height, 0.5 inches, which means our equation is 0.79 times 0.5, which means the volume of the cylinder is 0.40 inches cubed. And that is the cylinder. Now that we have finished the cylinder, we get to move on to the next two formulas, the second to last two formulas. Let's do this. Qua ninja style. It is time to look at sharp triangular prisms. Now, this is a triangular prism name. This is the picture. We like pictures. Now, this is the width. This is 0.88 inches. This is 2.75, which is the length. This, which is the slant height, kind of, is 1.63 inches. The height is 2.75 inches. That is the numbers. Now we have translated it to this, because this won't work. We have to look at it as a prism, but this is a prism. This makes it look weird. We like this, not this. Yeah. Okay, let's get to business. This is the formula, which is S surface area for the triangular prism equals 2b plus pH minus BC. Huh? What is this? The other papers had 2b plus pH. This is minus BC. Does this mean... Oh, wait, what? We subtract the base of the cylinder. Because don't forget, this has a lid on it. And that's not part of the surface of the triangular prism. The triangular prism does not have a circle on it. That looks pretty weird as a triangle. But, nevertheless, we must subtract the BC. So, first we must find the base. Base of a triangle equals BH divided by 2, which is base times height divided by 2. The base is equal to 2.75 inches. The height is equal to 0.88 inches. The area of the base is 2.75 times 0.88 divided by 2. The area of the base equals 1.21 inches squared. The perimeter equals 1.63 times 2, which means it equals 3.26 inches. And the height is given. It equals 2.75 inches. It's crazy time. Let's do this. The surface area for a triangular prism formula is 2 times 1.21 plus 3.26 times 2.75 minus area of the base for cylinder. To substitute, it is 2.42 plus 8.97 minus 0.79. The real actual surface area is 10.6 inches squared. There was a ton of math, my brain hurts. Not really, because I'm a ninja. Now, for the volume of the triangular prism, this is as easy as everything else. It is base times height, the area of the base times height. And we have it, as before, like always, the area of the base, which is 1.21 inches squared. The height, which is 2.75 inches. So, that means it's 1.21 times 2.75. The volume of the triangular prism is 3.33 inches cubed. And that is the triangular prism. Next on. Let's go. Here it comes, people. The moment you all been waiting for, the time to find out what shrimpy, half enough, full surface area and volume is. Dun, dun, dun. I like sound effects. Here we go. What is this? A paper? And no pictures? Where's the pictures? I don't see any pictures. Where's the... Ooh, an equation. We do not need pictures, because we already have the picture. It is right there. See that? We already know what it looks like. So let's do this. I have added something right there. Surface area MC. What could that mean? I do not know. What could it mean? Oh, maybe it could mean surface area for the milk carton. I certainly think it does. So we'll say it's surface area for milk carton. The surface area for a milk carton is equal to the surface area of a rectangular prism, plus the surface area for a cylinder, plus the surface area of a triangular prism, which is equal to 88.74 plus 2.36 plus 10.6. This is going nice. The surface area for the milk carton is equal to 101.7 inches squared. Are you happy now, buddy?
No, I'm not really happy. I don't know my volume. Where's my volume?
Oh, I forgot volume. Where's the volume? It's right there. Let's do this. A volume for the milk carton is equal to volume of a rectangular prism, plus a volume of cylinder, plus the volume of the triangular prism. This is equal to 53.79 plus 0.4 plus 3.33. This is equal to 59.52 inches cubed. And that is the full surface area and volume of our compound object, the Horizon Organic half and half ultra pasteurized milk carton.
Yeah, I'm so happy I drew a face. I drew a picture.
Oh, I want to see his picture. Let's see his picture. Oh my gosh, this is glorious. Goodbye, everybody, and I hope you had fun listening to this.